Entering borrower and partner data can be time-consuming, especially when switching CRM services. Some lead providers and LOS systems can sync with BNTouch to automate the migration of this data. In these cases, BNTouch recommends checking with our support team to see if this option is available, and for help setting up the connection. In other cases, you can upload a file containing borrower or partner data to BNTouch to import the records into your CRM. The type of file used for this transfer is called a .csv file for comma-separated values. These files can contain vast amounts of information, and they can separate the individual fields with a series of commas. If you have a .csv file with borrower or partner data, you can upload it in the Options tab under Import. Most softwares or systems will have the ability to export contained data into one of these .csv files. If you aren't sure how to do so or where the file is on your computer, please check the supported information or contact a representative of the service. First, choose whether you are importing mortgage borrower data or partnership data using the Database drop-down menu. The mapping options can be used when uploading future files to follow the same pattern used in previous uploads. If your business has multiple BNTouch user accounts, choose which account the records will be uploaded to from the Import Info drop-down menu. Click the Choose File button to select the file you saved to your computer. Then click Upload File and proceed to Step 2. In Step 2 of the import process, you will first choose which fields in the .csv file correspond to the fields in your BNTouch CRM. Choose which fields match the fields in your data file. At the very least, make sure the .csv file contains the first name, last name, and email address fields. Below, preferences for the imported data can be configured. The Add to Pipeline menu will determine what step in the marketing sequence will be applied to the new records. Duplicate preferences will let you either skip or overview any duplicated records when importing. First row preferences will let the import system know whether the first row in the .csv file is a set of names for the columns or the actual data. If you organized your records by groups, you can select a group to apply to the imported fields from the Choose Group menu. If you will be importing records frequently, you can save the import map settings you used for this upload to use for future uploads by checking the Save Import Map As box and entering a name for the map. If you want to avoid any automated marketing triggers from activating for the imported records, click Skip Triggers on Import. If you want to make your mapping settings public for other users in your company to use when importing .csv files, check the Make Map Public box. To avoid duplicate records, you can check the boxes for Identify by email or Identify by cell phone to determine how to check for unique records. By default, BNTouch will automatically check to see if multiple fields from the imported file are set to import to the same field in the CRM. If you want to combine text fields in the same CRM field, check Skip Mapping Check. When finished, click Import with selected options to bring the information into your CRM. A summary of the imported records will display. If any errors or mistakes have occurred, you can still reverse this import by clicking the History link above. Find the import action you just performed and click the Remove Records link to your right.